In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Notion. By the end, you'll have your files just a click away inside Notion, making it faster to reference documents, add links to pages, and keep your work organized. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser and signing into the workspace where you want this connection. While the desktop app is fine, the website makes it easiest to find the settings we need. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're on the correct workspace if you belong to multiple ones. Next, look for your profile area in Notion, usually found in the top corner. Click it and choose Settings. This opens the central place for managing your account and workspace preferences. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Connections. Open it, then click Explore on Notion AI Connectors. This is where Notion lists the services it can connect to, so you can pull in external content and make AI features more helpful. In the Connectors gallery, locate Google Drive. Click it to open its details, then click the plus icon to start connecting. At this point, Notion will let you know if your current plan supports this feature. If you see a message about upgrading, that means you need to upgrade your plan or enable the Notion AI add-on to use the Google Drive connector. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the upgrade. The process is straightforward and guided, and you can always review what's included before confirming. Once you've upgraded, return to the Google Drive connector and click the plus icon again. Notion will guide you through a quick authorization flow. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account and grant permission for Notion to access your Drive. Make sure you choose the account that actually holds the files you want to use. Approve the requested permissions to finish the connection. After the authorization completes, the connection is active. You can now search and attach Google Drive files within Notion, and AI features can reference Drive content where supported. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. If you don't see Google Drive in the connectors list, double-check that you completed the upgrade and that you're in the correct workspace. That's it. You opened the Notion website, went to your profile and settings, opened Connections, explored Notion AI connectors, chose Google Drive, tapped up the plus icon, upgraded when prompted, and then followed the